In the news tonight, President Rodrigo Duterte visited government troops at Camp General Teodolfo Bautista in Jolo, Sulu this afternoon. The president's visit was aimed at boosting the morale of the soldiers pursuing the Abu Sayyaf group bandits in the hinterlands of Sulu. The president held a command conference with the Joint Task Force Sulu to get first-hand information on the ongoing Focus military operations. The Focus military operations aim to pressure the ASG to release their hostages in their hinterlands so they can be rescued immediately. Meanwhile, the expected meeting between the president and MNLF chairman Nur Miswari did not push through, with the chief executive saying he plans to talk with the rebel leader next year. More details of this report from Sulu from George Bandola. Good evening, George.
Good evening, Kathy. President Rodrigo Duterte warned Abu Sayyaf that government will not back down in its efforts to keep the country secured. In his morale-boosting message to the men of the Joint Task Force Sulu here in Camp Bautista in Glo, President Duterte insists that the government forces will never tolerate kidnapping and terrorism. He promises to the troops that the government will continue to provide resources and modern equipment for them to have an advantage against the bandits. In an ambush interview, the president assures that the meeting between him and the MNLF chair Nur Miswari may happen next year. As of now, it is up to peace advisor Jess Dureza to talk to the MNLF and the CPP-NPA. As to the NPA, the chief executive believes that the talks with the leftists will happen with or without its symbolic leader, Joe Masison. He says that the CPP-NPA have no right to dictate the terms before they can go to the peace table. He also addresses all the rebels to initiate peace and not to attack the soldiers while their leaders talk otherwise. Here's the president's message.
Ang trabaho ko when I became president was really to seek peace, not war. At inumpisahan ko na kaagad yung peace talks, pati yung mga tao dito, pati kay Nur, kilala kami matagal na. I've been telling him, Nur, can we just talk about, tapos maghanap tayo ng paraan kung paano. So with the Communist Party of the Philippines, as a matter of fact,
Very much, George Bandola, live from Sulu.